Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best oil leak sealer is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for car owners facing the frustrating problem of oil leaks, which can lead to engine damage, reduced efficiency, and hefty repair bills. This video will dive deep into the world of oil leak sealers, helping you choose the perfect product to address your specific needs and restore your vehicle's optimal performance. Number 5. Lucas Oil 10278 Stop Leak. This product is designed to help prevent leaks in your engine. It's compatible with various motor oils and won't harm your engine. It seamlessly integrates with petroleum, semi-synthetic, and full synthetic motor oils. No need to worry about compatibility issues. This formula contains no harsh solvents, ensuring it's gentle on your engine's components. It's safe and effective. It can significantly extend the life of your engine oil, potentially by 50% or more. This means fewer oil changes and more savings. With its advanced formula and compatibility, it provides reliable leak protection and extends the life of your engine oil. Get yours today. Simply add it to your engine oil and let it work its magic. It's a simple solution for a common problem. What we like. It plays well with different oil types and is gentle on your engine. Plus, it can significantly increase the lifespan of your oil, saving you money in the long run. If you're looking for a reliable, safe option to prolong your engine's health, this is a great choice. What people say. My family has had great success with minor oil leaks, and 2 of my 3 cars I have used this on resulted in their oil leak ceasing completely. Most oil leaks are from going over your oil change intervals where the oil loses its additive properties and causes seals and gaskets to dry oil and crack. I find using Lucas Stop Leak with a decent high-mileage semi-synthetic or full synthetic oil is where it works best. However, when I used this product it actually did stop the leaking after using it for the first time. It takes maybe about 2 days for the leaks to completely seal, but after the first day I noticed that there wasn't much oil leaking from underneath the vehicle. Then by the second day there was nothing. Number 4. Bars Leaks OS 1 Oil Seal Repair. Is your vehicle burning oil or leaking? It could be worn seals or gaskets. This product can help. It's designed for all gasoline and diesel engines, including turbocharged, EcoBoost, hybrid, and racing engines. It's a simple solution to a big problem. If your vehicle isn't consuming more than a quart of oil a day, it's a good candidate for repair. This product can help restore performance. This works on 3 to 10 cylinder engines in cars, trucks, vans, SUVs, and even heavy-duty applications. Just follow the dosage instructions. It's great for a wide variety of vehicles and equipment, from tractors and boats to motorcycles and lawnmowers. It's a versatile solution for all your oil leak needs. This product is made with quality in mind, right here in the USA. You can trust it to get the job done right. What we like. This product boasts impressive compatibility with various engine types and effectively tackles many oil leak sources. It's also made in the USA, offering peace of mind about its quality and standards. If you need a versatile, high-quality solution for multiple leak types, this is the one for you. What people say. Impressed with how well this product helped reduce the amount of oil consumption and oil leaks in our 2008 6-cylinder, 175 km car. While the car still has a leak somewhere as I can smell it hit the exhaust pipe at times, it is not leaving a lot on the ground like it was before. I use this stuff in all my older vehicles and any seal leak stops after a week or so. Multiple leaks were resolved while one weeper persists. Have ran for over a month with minimal oil loss and improved performance. Number 3. BlueDevil Rear Main Sealer. It's formulated to flow into damaged areas of the rear main seal. This provides a permanent seal, keeping your vehicle's oil inside the engine. It's a one-time repair, no need to add it with every oil change. It's designed for ease of use. Simply pour the recommended amount into your engine oil. It's accessible to all drivers, regardless of experience. It restores dried, cracked, and shrunken rubber seals. It works while you drive, making it a convenient solution. You'll see results without extra effort. It's safe for use in your engine. It does not contain petroleum distillates that can harm seals. This ensures it won't cause further damage. It works on gasoline or diesel engines using synthetic or conventional oils. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles. This makes it a versatile solution for many drivers. Remember, it should not be used in brake systems or on painted surfaces. Always follow the instructions carefully for best results. What we like. It creates a lasting solution to your rear main seal problems, and it's incredibly easy to apply. It's also formulated without harsh chemicals that can damage seals. If you want a permanent fix that's simple to use and safe for your engine, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This product is working great on my Mercedes rear main seal leak. It took a couple of 100 miles to reach its effectiveness. I tried this on a 2016 Wrangler with a big oil leak from the rear main, lost 3 QTS in 5,000 miles, and it did stop the leakage much to my surprise, first based on significantly reduced diameter of oil spots on my driveway, then they completely disappeared by the next oil change, well enough for me to recommend it. This is intended for rear main engine seal, not rear differential seal. It stopped the leak on my 2007 Honda Odyssey crankshaft rear end seal. I was losing 1 quart of oil every 3 weeks. Don't know if I need it every time I change my oil, but it stopped the leak 1 week after I added to my oil. Number 2. BlueDevil Oil Stop Leak. It's incredibly simple to use. Just pour the right amount into your engine's oil sump or crankcase, and you're good to go. This provides a permanent solution for your oil leaks. It will seal the leak and get you back on the road, keeping it sealed even after many miles. It works with both gasoline and diesel engines, making it perfect for a wide variety of vehicles. It's great for repairing and reconditioning rubber seals in any oil system. This includes pinion seals, gearboxes, and more. It's safe to use with a non-clogging formula that won't harm your engine. It's petroleum-free and won't cause any damage. This product is designed to permanently seal those annoying oil leaks, saving you time and money on repairs. What we like. This product is incredibly user-friendly and provides a permanent solution to your oil leaks. It also works across a wide range of engines and applications. If you value ease of use and a lasting fix, this is the product for you. What people say. Works great. Be patient. It will stop the leak. This product does what it says, but you have to be patient. After driving it a couple of hours it didn't seem to make much difference. Then I did the same the following day, and I began to see less oil consumption. Lately, it seems to just drop 1 drop every now and then. I've had a very slow drip in my vehicle for over 10 years. I was told that it was a timing cover leak and the estimate when originally diagnosed was approximately $3,500. The extent of the leak is 1 drip per day and I did not think that it was worth proceeding with the expensive repair job. When my oil level had dropped below the full line, I added the entire bottle of BlueDevil and drove my vehicle for approximately 2 hours. I have parked in my garage for the last week and there are no drips on the cardboard. This product has worked for my vehicle. Number 1. Bars Leaks Rear Main Seal Repair. Tired of those annoying oil leaks? This amazing product is designed to stop leaks quickly and easily. It's perfect for rear main seals and other hard-to-reach areas. Simply add the entire bottle to your engine's crankcase during or between oil changes. It's that simple. Don't overfill the oil. It's specially formulated for rear main seals, but it also excels at stopping leaks in timing covers, chem seals, and more. This isn't your average stop leak. It's engineered to provide a superior seal compared to other products on the market. In most cases, you'll see results within 100 miles or 2 days of driving. Get back on the road quickly and confidently. Just pour it in. No special tools or messy procedures required. It seamlessly integrates with your regular oil change routine. For decades, Bars Leaks has been a trusted name in automotive repair. Experience the difference with our superior quality and effective solutions. What we like. It targets various leak points, including those notoriously difficult rear main seals, and is simple to add to your engine oil. You'll likely see results quickly. If you need a fast and effective solution for multiple leak types, this is a great option. What people say. I own a 20-year-old SUV that I simply love to drive. It runs great, looks great, and it's been paid off for many years now. It just clocked 200k miles and the rear main seal started leaking. I drove my SUV 12 miles after adding the stop leak and I'll be damned if the leak hasn't stopped. I will keep an eye on the condition, but for now, the stuff works. I have a small block Ford engine that has a notorious rear main seal leak, drips engine oil right at the transmission bell housing. After a week, the leak was barely noticeable, just the bottom of the transmission housing felt a little oily, but no puddle stains in the driveway. After 2 to 3 weeks, the leak was gone. And I mean gone, not a drop. I was impressed how well this worked on this problem and thought it fixed it permanently. Used it on 2 distinct vehicles. 2002 4.0 Ford Explorer, which had minor valve cover leaks and major rear engine oil seal leaks. Within days, valve cover leak stopped. Rear seal was not so quick, but was gradual. It required a total of 3 bottles and 3 oil changes. However, on 3rd oil change, leaks have stopped. Other vehicle was 2010 Honda Civic, which had constant valve cover leak. Again, within days, leak slowed and then stopped. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.